Hey guys, Aaron with Bad Bill Garage here. Hey, so just wanted to give you a heads up on the next video. There is a section of the video that is completely missing. When I was going through and doing some video editing, I accidentally deleted the video. Also, the camera angle is not the greatest. I didn't have my camera set up correctly, so I do apologize. Regardless, I'm still going to post a video. Thanks for watching, and let's get into it. Hey YouTube, Aaron here with Bad Bill Garage. Hey, thanks for checking out on the channel. On today's episode, we're going to be putting a master cylinder in my 1994 Toyota 4Runner. Let's get into it. So, gotta get the phone here. So, hey, what's up? So, alright. So, what we're working on today. Let's see if I can get the damn thing open. Alrighty, so as stated, we're replacing that guy right there. So get a light here, that way you can see what's going on. So, okay, so let's see if I can flip the camera here. So the reason we're replacing this master cylinder here, we're replacing the master cylinder on this 4Runner, is we had issues bleeding it. I put it on a couple weeks ago, thinking that, you know, since the old master cylinder had failed, the seal was leaking between the booster. Figured that, you know, be good out of the box. Long and behold, after getting everything set up, we bled it. Come to find out that this back port over here was barely moving any fluid to the rear. And according to all the forums I've read online, apparently it's been a known issue for these Toyota master cylinders to fail. So went out and bought another one, and this time I'm going to bring you guys on the journey, you know, have you watch me put it on, you know, thanks. So set you guys back up here, and then we'll get to bench bleeding this guy. I apologize about the video quality. I don't have a good enough camera yet. So we're back. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and bleed. I'm going to set you guys down real quick. I don't have a small enough mount to stick underneath here yet, so bear with me, and I do apologize about the video quality. So, yeah, go ahead and let go of it. Alright, pump it up. Yep. Alright, hold it. I don't want to strip that on you. Alright. Alright, pop it. Alright, hold it. Yep. Alright. I don't see any air coming out. Alright. Let's move to the next side here. I'll bring you guys along with the journey. Like I said, guys, I apologize. I don't have a GoPro yet. I will be getting one. So right now I'm just using my phone camera. And then, yep, go ahead and pump it. Hold it. Oh yeah. All right, pump it. Hold it. Oh no. There we go. All right, now we're gonna move to the front. I apologize about blinding you guys. All right, guys, we're back. Sorry, I didn't really catch the front of the brakes being bled or testing the brakes out. I kind of ran really low on time, so trying to get this done as fast as I can before I got to get up and go to work in the morning. But brakes are good. They're definitely a lot better. Definitely gonna have to take it for like a test drive. We'll probably do that probably here in the next day or two. I'll take you guys along with the test drive, see how we do. But yeah, I just wanted to, stop in and just say, hey, this is my second video. Thanks for checking it out. I'm still new to this. I'm still trying to learn of how to, kind of talk to you guys. I don't want to sound robotic. I don't want to sound like I'm reading from script. I'm trying to be myself. So I appreciate the views. It'd mean a lot. If you can, like and subscribe. I will try and post weekly. I will do my very best. I will get a better camera. That is for sure for upcoming videos. But thanks again, guys, for, kind of going along with me on a journey. Like I said, second video, I will get better out of this. Hope to see you guys in the next episode. Thank you.